check it out. CJ just called me right now and said they brought burritos to our plate.
Who? CJ?
Oh, that's true. Ed's burritos over at our laydown. We should have grabbed a burrito and ran over here.
Let's go.
I don't know, but let's get food and then go over. I don't know. It seems like
No,
he's here. He's here. CJ's here. He said if they're at the laydown, we'll grab some burritos. But I'm like,
we have burritos out there.
nigga, we already over here. It's all right. We did it.
Let's go there.
Yeah.
Oh, let's go.
Who's over there that I can trust?
Just same thing last time when they have a barbecue. There's a burrito.
Yeah. We can grab a burrito over here.
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, go back. Go back and get us over.
Last time din gano'n, nung may barbecue dito, di ba may burrito rin tayo dito.
Meron din doon?
Last time gano'n din.
Eh, dito na tayo. Ba't ano sabi? Eh, sa lagi gusto namin dito eh.
Pagaling natin, kuha tayo.
Oh, got my motherfucking dot band.
Yeah.
It's about to be a wrap. I'm about to advertise my OnlyFans. He said my OnlyFans. Go.
Tagal pa.
Ano lang yan?
Okay na yun, doon na yun.
Tama.
Steady na yun. Baka na yun.
Yan na yung last na po na yun. Oh.
Ganyan na lang yan, para nag-extend yan. Stay na lang.
Dapat eh nilagyan ko nung eh. Nilagyan ko. Bibit ba ako sa yung name ko doon para kita ko.
Pwede pa nun, pagka
Kaso hindi kita yun.
wala na.
Hindi nakita yun. Naroon yung pangalan ko doon sa may ginagawa ng lalaki na yun. Dulo.
Para di mabasa.
Sana napinturahan ko para hindi mo basa. Kaya oh, nakatawid pa siya. Oh, man.
Kaya maano yun. Mahala kasi yun. Pag natin ka. Kaya natin, doon ka, doon ka mag-ano.
Oo, sayang ano.